The broken predictions of Solar Cycle 25. 30 seconds ago, scientists thought they understood the sun's rhythm. But Solar Cycle 25 is rewriting the rulebook. Early forecasts from NASA and NOAA predicted a moderate cycle, peaking at around 115 sunspots. Instead, recent counts have surged past 200. That's nearly double the expected activity. Even more surprising is the speed of the change. In just a few years, the sun jumped from a quiet solar minimum to near constant magnetic turbulence. Sunspots are multiplying, flare activity is rising, and the models used to predict solar behavior are struggling to keep up. For the first time in decades, heliophysicists are asking a serious question. Have we misunderstood how our star really behaves? When the sun erupts, it does not simply flare. It unleashes energy equal to billions of nuclear bombs. Recent X-class flares have blasted radiation across the inner solar system in minutes. These are the most powerful solar explosions possible. But the real danger comes from what follows. Coronal mass ejections. Massive clouds of magnetized plasma are now colliding with each other in space. Scientists call them cannibal CMEs. One eruption swallows another, merging into a single superstorm racing toward Earth. Some of these plasma plumes stretch wider than our entire planet. And when they hit Earth's magnetic field, the results can shake the technology that powers our civilization. The fragility of the modern grid. Our world runs on invisible timing. Satellites synchronize power grids, guide aircraft, and keep global finance operating down to the microsecond. A powerful solar storm can disrupt that instantly. Mega constellations like Starlink orbit directly inside the region where solar radiation spikes first. During past storms, dozens of satellites have already been lost as Earth's atmosphere expanded and dragged them down. But the bigger danger is on the ground. Geomagnetic currents can surge through long transmission lines, overheating transformers that take months to replace. A Carrington-level storm today could shut down entire power networks across continents. And the cables carrying the world's internet beneath the oceans? They're not immune either. Shifting perspectives on stellar longevity. For decades, scientists believed the sun followed a predictable magnetic cycle. 11 years of rising and falling activity. But new observations are challenging that assumption. Deep within the sun, enormous magnetic dynamos twist and fold like cosmic engines. Some researchers now believe these internal flows can suddenly amplify solar activity far beyond expectations. When scientists compare today's data with historical records from a Maunder minimum in the 1600s, they see something intriguing. The sun may shift between long, quiet phases and sudden violent periods. If that's true, Solar Cycle May 25th not be an anomaly. It may be a warning that our star is more dynamic than we ever imagined, preparing for a volatile future. Human civilization has never depended on technology as much as it does today. That's why scientists are racing to build early warning systems for solar storms. Spacecraft positioned millions of kilometers from Earth can detect incoming plasma clouds and give us precious minutes to react. Those minutes could allow power operators to temporarily shut down vulnerable transformers and protect critical infrastructure. But preparation requires global coordination. Power grids, satellites, aviation systems, and communication networks must all be hardened against space weather. Because one fact is becoming clear. Living next to a volatile star is not a distant possibility. It is our reality.